With this whole coronavirus thing going on, I'm not gonna touch those dirty gas handles. What's that word, like a germaphobe or something like that? That's already me to begin with, and with this whole thing going around, I just have the urge to like clean everything, like my phone, camera, my wallet, all my cards and stuff, my keys, germs in general. Before this whole like coronavirus thing has always freaked me out, has always been like something that's like kind of gross to me. Now it's like even more. I literally carry like a whole thing of Lysol wipes in my car and in my room just to have, because like I said, I just have to clean everything. What's going on, everyone? Welcome to today's video. So, most of you may know, I'm not too sure, a lot of you might be new, and this people almost crashed. A lot of you might be new, but if you don't know, I have a vision board in my room, and we're pretty much close to taking off 3 of the things that I can off of that vision board. 1 being a gym, 2 my own merch, and 3 30,000 subscribers. So we're super close to 30,000 subscribers. I'm at around 29.1, I believe. And when I made that board around 4,000 subscribers, I just never would have imagined like being in the moment, having almost 30,000 subscribers. I put it up there, but I never knew when it happened, you know, like I've always believed in myself, but it being like present, like knowing I'm literally about to hit 30,000 subscribers, it's just insane. Like it's crazy to think about. Now merch, like I know a lot of you guys are waiting for the merch. Yesterday, off camera, I actually ordered some samples. I'm pretty much gonna be testing how they fit, how they look before I order like a whole batch for you guys. So that's super exciting. We're getting a lot of progress done on the merch side. I put on my vision board that I want to start working out a lot, and I was good at the start, but I kind of slacked off. Like I just got super lazy, especially with my new job. Literally tweaked my whole schedule, so I haven't been hitting the gym as much as I want to. Well, I guess the gym vision board thing was kind of meant to be taken off once I to my ideal physique that I want, but okay, I guess that's just 2 things I can take off the vision board. So 30K and the merch soon. Please excuse how dirty the car is. It's been raining here for like the past week down in San Diego, where I'm from, and my car is absolutely filthy. It's just full of dirt as always, and of course these wheels are super dirty. And I just finished some body work in the bumper, so it kind of looks like a mess right now, but I wanted to get this video out for you guys. So on the way home, I was thinking of you guys, and a lot of you commenting saying that you just got an FRS, and a lot of you are new to building cars. So this video right here, I want to give you guys a general idea on pretty much what I have on the car and also how much it is, so you can get like a general idea on how much money to either save or put aside in general, just to get an idea on how much it costs to build a car like mine. I got this car back in March of 2016. Oh snap, it's actually March right now. 4 years ago. That's crazy. So 4 years of pretty much building this car has led up to this point. So I'm gonna go over everything I have on the car and how much it's cost me, and at the very end of the video I'm gonna add up literally everything and pretty much see how much I've spent on the car as it sits right now. So I have the list on my phone right here, but I have not calculated how much it actually is for the total. It'll be a surprise for me at the end of the video, which I'm super honestly scared about. Seeing that total will shock me, and it'll be like, damn, I've spent that amount of money on this car right here. Keep in mind, I've gone through so many wheel phases and phases of the car, so in reality I've spent probably almost double of what I have on my phone. So the total that I'm gonna say today in the video is pretty much if you were to have a stock FRS, buy all the parts to get it to how it looks like right now. So I'm not gonna count all the previous phases I've done, all the swapping out wheels and swapping out different parts. Just to get it from stock to how it sits right now, this will be how much I spent. But anyways, let's get right into it. I have the whole list right here of how much each of my parts cost. So I have 5% window tint on the whole car, front and the rear windows. So I want to say I paid around $200 for the whole car to get tinted. I have 2 10-inch subwoofers in the trunk of my car. I like my music sounding good, so 2 10-inch subwoofers from Kicker. So I got that installed at Best Buy actually, which cost me around $600. Coilovers, we are running BC Extreme Low coilovers on all four. I actually bought these coilovers used, so I spent $700. Keep in mind that some of these parts I actually bought used, so I didn't buy them for the actual retail price, like the full-on brand new price. So yeah, $700 for the BC Extreme Low racing coilovers. So right here, we have lower control arms from PBM and also some toe arms, which you cannot see. Lower control arms we bought used for $200, and the toe arms by Megan Racing I got for around $150 on eBay. So in total for those arms, it's around $350. I need to put chapstick on. I feel like my lips are just super dry. Can't be filming with some freaking dry ass lips. This one is huge if you plan on lowering your FRS. So I had a lot of axle issues with the car once I first lowered it without installing these parts. So what I'm talking about are subframe and differential risers by PBM, which cost me around $200, raises the whole subframe and the diff, so your axles sit at a more level angle versus all bent and stuff, which caused them to break a lot with these cars. It's a very common issue with the FRS and BRZ. These axles are just so weak and they just cannot handle the car being lowered. I guess I'll include the price of actually getting a shop to install these, and that alone was $360 to install. Wheels, Workmeister S1 3-piece. Actually traded my Heritage wheels for these Workmeisters, so I actually didn't buy these like from my money. I just traded my other wheels in for these wheels. The previous wheels I paid $2,000 for after the whole rebuild. So I guess you can say I got these Workmeisters for $2,000. Onto the interior. I'm kind of afraid to show you guys because my car is super messy, but steering wheel, as you can see, I got this steering wheel off of FT86 Speed Factory, $390 for the steering wheel. So I will include this into the list because it's actually something that I swapped out on the car. XD OEM clutch. So my clutch went out at around like 36,000 miles, I think. Super long time ago, like 2 or 3 years ago. So that alone cost me $220. Now this right here, I feel like is my #1 question asked on the channel and on Instagram is, what exhaust am I running on this car? A lot of people like the sound. In my opinion, the perfect sound for the FRS and BRZ. It's just that nice Subaru rumble. Okay, I'm lying if I'm gonna say it's not loud because it's super loud, but it's not like high pitched. It's really deep and rumbly. So I guess that's why a lot of people like the exhaust that I have on. So the headers, which you cannot see, are Borla and equal length headers, which I bought used off of a guy locally for $400. We have a catless front pipe, which I bought used as well for $100. And after that, I'm using the stock resonator, which obviously came with the car because it's stock. After that resonator, we have a custom muffler delete. So I had a muffler shop make this little Y pipe right here, which deletes the mufflers, which cost me $350. Along with that exhaust, I am running an open flash tablet tune in order to run the Stage 2 Plus tune I'm running, and also the backfires that come with the car. It cost me $300, which I bought used as well. So to go over my whole exhaust to make it clear, I'm running Borla and equal length catless headers in the front onto a catless front pipe with a stock resonator and no mufflers. I'm pointing as if you can see it, but you cannot. I know I'm gonna get that question so much, so I just want to clear that up. VLANs. I recently installed these, which cost me on eBay $410. Oh shoot, I forgot to put a price on one of these. Lenti taillights. FT86 Speed Factory, lighting. What? Those are sick. They got these turn signal mirrors. Yo, that is freaking sick. Look at this. They got turn signals on the mirrors. I want these. So for the taillights, these are actually Valenti taillights. So I got these off of FT86 Speed Factory for $320. I'm honestly actually thinking of selling these taillights. I kind of want to go with something new. And also they have some like, I don't know, like I spilled like rubbing alcohol in my car like a while ago, and I had a whole bunch of Bondo dust. So I don't know if like the alcohol mixed with the Bondo and it kind of just left this like ugly film and layer of I don't know what, but that's there. But I'm sure it could be easily taken off with like a buffer and stuff, or if you like sand it. But if you guys are interested in these taillights, feel free to DM me on Instagram. I could probably work something out with you because I'm definitely interested in swapping these out. And we just recently got this actually. So as you can see, it's the VIS racing trunk. got this trunk used off of a guy locally, and I paid $700 for the carbon fiber trunk. All right guys, we're getting to the end. Now onto the big thing, which is the V3 kit by Rocket Bunny, the most recent mod for the car and the thing that is still in process that I have yet to finish, and the most expensive thing on the car as well. So I did not buy the complete kit, I guess you can say. So I'm missing some canards for the side, the front lip, some canards for the rear, which all I did not choose to go with. So we got the rear fenders, side skirts, the front fenders, and the front bumper. All in total coming out to be around $2,700. That is a lot of freaking money. I could have bought a turbo kit with that, but yeah, that's, ouch, that hurt. And lastly, to complete this whole breakdown of what I spent on the car, I take my car to get painted at a place called Mako, and this right here is a single stage paint job. So it is the lowest, the most basic paint job you can get. That paint job alone starts off at $500. Now it is time to add up every single part and see how much I've actually spent on the car. I'm so nervous. Oh my gosh. All right. All right, we got the total. So before I actually say this total, I want you guys to comment right now what do you think the grand total is for everything that I spent on the car. So right now, real quick, I'm gonna give you guys like 5 seconds to comment down below what you guys think the total will be. All right, the 5 seconds is up. So the grand total that I spent is $9,300. So I actually finished editing the whole video. I just decided to calculate or recalculate everything on the mod list. And I guess I did my math wrong the first time, but the new total that I got is $10,800. So this is the real total right here. Don't listen to what I said in the video. And yeah, back to today's video. Dude, that is quite a lot. That is a lot of money. You can buy a lot of things for $9,000. It's crazy because like I said, this amount right here is not it. I've swapped so many parts on this car. I've gotten so many different wheels. So a lot of phases equals more money as well. But like I said, this right here is if you were to go from stock to how it is right now, and it is $9,300. Alright, that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. Please leave me a like if you enjoyed, and also comment down below what you guys think of today's video. I want to leave you guys off with a question. I've been wanting to plan a cruise, like I've said previously. So for my SoCal subscribers that are in the area, where should I do a cruise? Where should I start it at? Where should I go to? I'm not too sure. I don't know how many of you guys would go, so I'm not too sure with like the ranges and where to drive to and where to start. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off this little home gym thing. I got a few things yet to put together, so thank you guys for hanging out with me today. Stay tuned on the progress with the FRS. It's coming so close to being finished. I hope you all have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.